Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So students, your question is the kinetic energy of molecules is not directly proportional to, first option is temperature, second option will be your pressure, third option will be atmospheric pressure, and the last option will be students both B and C, that means pressure as well as atmospheric pressure. So if we see to our first option, then yes, kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature, because as when temperature increases, more energy is supplied to the molecules, thus kinetic energy of molecules increases, and with the decrease in temperature, the kinetic energy will decrease. We have seen here temperature is directly proportional to kinetic energy, and according to the pressure students, pressure, no, basically it is not directly proportional to pressure students, because students pressure have no effect on kinetic energy of gas molecules, as gas pressure is due to the molecules colliding with the walls of the container. If we talk about this third option, that is atmospheric pressure, then pressure and atmospheric pressure, both of them is basically not directly proportional to kinetic energy. So students, the correct answer for this question will be our option number D, that is both B and C. The kinetic energy of molecules is not directly proportional to pressure as well as atmospheric pressure. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.